Hey there, today I am going to walk you through the process of how to convert Shopify website to Wix. And here is how. First things first, make sure your Shopify online store is fully set up and accessible with your desired theme and template. Now, head over to the Apps section and search for Wix in the Shopify App Store. We will be using the Lit Extension Store Migration app for this process. Simply install the app from the Shopify App Store. The installation is quick and free. No trials or credit cards required. Once installed, configure the migration by providing your Wix Store source card URL. You can find this in your Wix settings under Import. Ensure you have an upgraded version of Wix to complete the migration smoothly. The app will perform a demo migration first. Once satisfied, proceed with the full migration. And that is how to convert Shopify website to Wix.